Hey guys, welcome back to Small Farm Guys. Today we're going to be tilling our garden. This is going to be a little new series we make, our garden series, because you see us doing farming, but you should, well, we'll apply those principles to our gardens as well. So I'm already actually shooting this as the intro, but it's the outro as well. But I already did till it, but you'll see that in this upcoming video, so stay tuned. Comment, like, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for this series. No. Like a glove. And that's what we're using. TMG SRT 720 Rototiller. Works good. You'll see the time lapse. It's not going to be perfect because, I mean, the skid's not small, so, but it did what we needed to do. Normally we don't till, but it's been about 5 or 6 years, so I decided it'd be a good time to till, but it really pulverizes the stuff up nice. So we'll get back to you with our new little garden series, so just stay tuned. Obviously you can't get to the edges because you got gearboxes and stuff in the way.